Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Scripted Dad. In today's video, I'll be showing us how to download the Trust Wallet extension on your browser. So Trust Wallet just integrated another function, which is the extension function. Trust Wallet extension now available in your browser. I'll be taking us through that right now on how to install the Trust Wallet extension on your browser, and this same process also works for your PC. I'll be taking us through that right now. Okay, for you to install the Trust Wallet extension on your mobile phone, you just have to go out to your browser. You have to make use of Kiwi Browser, because Kiwi Browser supports extension. You have to make use of this browser. If you've not downloaded this browser, I'll be dropping the link in this video description. Once you click on the link, you'll be directed over to Play Store. Then you'll be seeing this browser, Kiwi Browser. You just have to go over to install the app. After you install the app, you have to click on this app, that is the Kiwi Browser. Then you have to go over to create a new tab. You have to click on this new tab. Okay, after you've created a new tab, you can go ahead to click on these three dots. When you click on that, you'll be seeing this extension. You can also make use of this extension method by just clicking on this extension. And you can also click on this desktop site for better view. I'll be making use of desktop sites, so I've selected desktop sites. I'll click on this extension. Okay, when you come out to this extension, you just have to come out to search. You can click on this from store and just go over to search for what you want to search for. I'll just click on this search the store. I want to search the store for Trust Wallet. As you're searching for Trust Wallet extension, just click on search. Once you enter the name, you will see in the wallet here it has been integrated to be an extension. You can install the Trust Wallet extension in your PC and also your mobile phone Chrome. You have to click on this Trust Wallet. After you've clicked on that, you have to add to Chrome. You have to click on this add to Chrome. I'll click on this OK. It's checking right now, just be waiting for the download to be completed. After the download has been completed, it will be installed. So you'll be seeing it at this place. You just have to click on these three dots. After you've clicked on that, you have to scroll down. You'll be seeing it under this extension. Okay, I'll be opening another tab. I'll just click on this tab. For you to also install the Trust Wallet extension on your PC, you have to go over to your Chrome. As you have to go over to any of your browser and make use of your Google Chrome. Just search for Trust Wallet extension. You just search for Trust Wallet extension. After you've searched for that, you may see this download the Trust Wallet Chrome extension. You have to click on this. After you've clicked on that, you may see this available on your Chrome, Brave, Opera, Edge and more. You just need to scroll down. So when you scroll down, you'll be seeing this get the Trust Wallet extension. You have to click on that. After you've clicked on that, you'll be taken over to your PC extension. Then you'll be seeing add to Chrome here. I've already added it to Chrome. So you can also use any method you want to use. You can just go ahead to search for the extension. And you can also click on these three dots. That you just have to come out to this extension area. You have to click on this extension area. Then you just have to search for the extension you want to install. I've successfully installed the Trust Wallet extension. I have to click on this. So I'll be showing us how to import your Trust Wallet account into this extension. Okay, so you'll be seeing this create new wallet. You'll see this import or recover wallet. Okay, before I import, let me just go over to my Trust Wallet. I have to click on setting. When you click on setting, you just have to go over to your wallet. For you to import your Trust Wallet account to your extension, that is to your Trust Wallet extension, you have to make use of your secret phrase. For you to get your secret phrase, you just have to go over to your mobile phone. Then you have to come over to this setting. When you come out to the setting, you have to go over to the wallet. You click on this wallet. After you've clicked on that, you have to select the wallet you want to import. Just click on these three dots. After you've clicked on that, you see this show secret phrase. You have to click on this. You have to click on this, then you'll be getting the secret phrase. I'll be going back. I'll just import or recover wallet. I'll just click on this. Okay, I'll click on this no thanks. And also go over to select. If you're having 12 word or 24 word, you just have to select the one you are having. So I'm having 12 word. I'll just be entering the word here. So you have to enter all the word here. After I've entered the word, I'll just click on this proceed. So I'll be entering the word right now. Okay, I'll be importing my Trust Wallet secret phrase right now. I've imported my 12 secret phrase. I'll click on this proceed. I have to enter a password. I need to confirm the password. Okay, I'll be doing that right now, and after that, I have to click on this. After that, I need to agree to the terms and conditions. Your password needs to go along with all this. I'll click on this agree. Then I'll click on this next button. So I'm waiting for it to load. Okay guys, we successfully imported our Trust Wallet account into the Trust Wallet extension. You can also decide to set this as default. I'll just be removing this, then I'll click on this open wallet. Okay, so we successfully imported our Trust Wallet account here. I'm ready to use Trust Wallet. We've imported our Trust Wallet account here. For you to add more coins, just click on this. And for you to change the network from Smart Chain, just come out to this setting. That you need to scroll down. When you scroll down, you'll be seeing this setting. You have to change this network from Ethereum. And then you can just go ahead to select the Smart Chain network. So you just click on Smart Chain. After you've clicked on that, you just need to go back. So your network will be under the Smart Chain network. And for you to add some other networks, just click on this Add Custom Network. Just click on this Add Custom Network. You'll be asked to enter the network name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, token symbol, the block URL. So when you've done that, you just click on this Add Custom Network. Then the network will be added to the list of network you're having here. To be added to the list of network here, I'll just be going back. And for you to view your secret phrase, just click on this View Secret Phrase. For you to get help and support, for you to set as default wallet, just click on this button. You can also change the language by just clicking on this language. To check the history, just click on this. I'm having a balance of this. There's no DApps connection presently. And also go ahead to add token name or contract address. You can go ahead to add coins here by just pasting in the contract address. I'm just searching for the token name. Let's say I want to add BSD. I'll just search for BSD. Then I'll be seeing this BSD under Smart Chain and under Ethereum. I'll just click on this add. Then I'll be going back. It will be added to the list of cryptocurrency here. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I already showed us how to install the Trust Wallet extension in your Chrome. These steps also work for your PC. You just have to follow the steps in this video. Just go ahead to search for the Trust Wallet extension, then you install it. After you've installed it, you either create an account or import an account. So guys, thanks for watching this video and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.